Hello guys, welcome back to Nelly Nummies. We are on day 3 of our 12 days of Treatsmas. And this recipe is going to be pretty familiar for you if you saw my Halloween special. It's a really quick and easy truffle. The particular flavor we're doing this time is an lemon Oreo truffle. You just need a handful of ingredients for this recipe and you can throw it together in a matter of an hour or two. And most of that is just waiting for it to chill. So to start out, we're going to need some lemon cream filled sandwich cookies, a block of softened cream cheese, lemon, we're just going to be using the zest, which is this yellow rind on the outside, and then white chocolate chips. And if you don't want to use white chocolate chips or can't find it, you can also use almond bark, the vanilla flavor. But use whatever you have on hand or can find. So let's get started on making these.
Let's start out by grabbing our lemon cream filled Oreo cookies, a gallon sized baggie, and a rolling pin, or some sort of heavy bottom pan that you can smash the cookies with. Then we're going to fill the baggie with about 25 to 30 cookies. You can adjust the ratio to however much you want. If you find that this isn't enough for you, you can add more cookies and crush them up later and add them to the cream cheese then. Squeeze out as much air out of the baggie as you can and then start smashing it. Take out all your rage onto the cookies. Or, just have fun. We're going to dump those cookies into a bowl, adding your room temp cream cheese. Scrape off as much as you can from the wrapper. And then we're going to just smoosh it into the cookie crumble. Just keep mixing until you get it mostly combined, kind of like this, so it's a nice ball. And then we're going to grate in about half of the lemon zest, or you can do the full lemon as well if you prefer. This is going to give us a stronger lemon flavor. You can also add in some lemon extract or lemon baking oil at this point as well. Now let's grab a cookie scoop or a tablespoon of sorts and roll these into about 1 to 2 tablespoon sized balls. You can make these as big or as little as you want. It's all on your personal preference. I do recommend rolling them in your hand a little bit to make them a more uniform ball. And then you might be like me and decide, oh, that's too big. So let's break them apart into smaller 1 tablespoon size. And then we're going to chill them in the refrigerator or freezer for about half an hour to an hour or until they're nice and firm. Grab that bag of white chocolate chips or vanilla flavored almond bark, break it up and put them into a nice microwave safe bowl. And we're going to microwave this to melt it. Do it for a minute, stir it, then microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring in between until the chocolate is all nice and melted, kind of like this, so that it is perfect for dipping. And then grab your frozen truffles from the freezer or fridge, and we're going to grab them, use a fork to dip them into the chocolate, tap off the excess chocolate, and then place it back onto the tray so it can harden. And you're going to repeat this with all of your truffles. Next, once you get them all dipped, you can grab a little bit of lemon zest, or you can also just use some sprinkles as well. Or you can leave them plain. This is just for garnish to make it look pretty. You're going to want to work kind of quick because the chocolate does harden, so you might want to do this in batches. And then we're going to chill this in the refrigerator or freezer for about half an hour to an hour.
And we're done. All the lemon truffles are done. The white chocolate coating has hardened and it's ready to devour. These are going to be pretty good. I'm excited to try them and share them with you guys. And just a quick little reminder, you're going to want to store these in an airtight container in a cool place, whether that be your refrigerator or just in your basement, just somewhere cool where the white chocolate isn't going to melt. But now is our favorite part. We get to eat them. So the white chocolate, since it's still nice and firm and cool, since I've had these in the refrigerator, It has a nice little crunch when we break through. The lemon, it's a more subtle lemon flavor since it's mostly the lemon Oreos. But the lemon zest that we put in there did help a lot to bump up the flavor. If you want an even stronger lemon flavor, you can either use a lemon extract, which personally I find lemon extracts have too much of an artificial flavor. There's also such a thing as a lemon oil. Not necessarily an essential oil, but it's a special baking oil. Those might be a little harder to find and more expensive, but that's an alternative to get a stronger lemon flavor. Otherwise, you can use more lemon zest than what we put in this time. So it's a nice little treat, and I'm really excited for you guys to try them. This is just a really fun and easy recipe that you can cater to your own preference and own taste. So I look forward to seeing what you guys do with your own truffles. Get creative. Feel free to switch out the cookies with something different, like crispy chocolate chip cookies instead of the Oreos. Or you can do a traditional Oreo or a chocolate cream filled or mint cream filled sandwich cookies. Get creative. Make it your own. And let me know how it goes for you. I'm curious. And remember, please be good to yourselves, be good to each other, and I look forward to cooking with you guys on day 4 of the 12 days of Treatsmas. Bye guys!